Hold up either hand right now, palm facing you. We are jumping straight into it and turning your actual fingers into the ultimate exact value trigonometry cheat sheet.
Let's map the standard angles to your hand. 0 degrees is your pinky, 30 is the ring finger, 45 right in the middle, 60 on the index, and 90 degrees, that's your thumb.
Okay, here is the golden rule, and it's literally the only formula you need to memorize for this whole explainer. Just take the square root of your fingers and divide by 2. That's it.
Now, how do we switch between functions? Super simple. For sine, you count the fingers below whichever finger you bend. For cosine, you just count the fingers above it.
Let's try it out. Say we want sine 30. Go ahead and bend down your 30-degree ring finger. Look underneath it. You've got exactly one finger left down there, your pinky.
Plug that into our golden rule, the square root of 1 divided by 2. And since the square root of 1 is just 1, boom, it simplifies immediately to a half.
What about cosine 60? Bend that 60-degree index finger down. Remember, for cosine, we look above the bent finger. And look at that, you've got just one thumb sitting up there.
The math works out exactly the same way. The square root of 1 over 2, which, again, gives us a half. It's almost like a magic trick.
Let's push it further. For sine 90, bend down your 90-degree thumb. Now you've got your 4 remaining fingers underneath.
So, we take the square root of those 4 fingers, which is 2. Divide that by 2, and it simplifies perfectly to 1. Sine 90 is exactly 1.
Okay, quick test for you. Bend your 60-degree index finger. Using what we just learned, what is the sine of 60?
Well, sine means we count below, right? You got 3 fingers down there, so your answer is just the square root of 3 over 2. You don't even have to write it out.
Don't put that hand down yet. Let's test cosine 90. Bend your thumb again, but this time, count the fingers above it.
Since there's nothing but air above your thumb, that's 0 fingers. The square root of 0 divided by 2 is simply 0.
Section 2, the tangent twist. Flip it over.
Finding the tangent requires one little twist. You bend the angle finger like normal, but then you physically flip your hand over so the back of your hand is facing you. Then, just divide the square root of your top sine fingers by the square root of your bottom cosine fingers.
Let's do tan 60 together. Bend that 60-degree index finger and flip the hand. You should clearly see 3 sine fingers resting above and just 1 cosine finger below.
See how perfectly those fingers translate into our fraction? It becomes the square root of 3 on top over the square root of 1 on the bottom.
And since the square root of 1 is literally just 1, the tangent of 60 simplifies seamlessly right to root 3. No calculator needed.
All right, final challenge. Bend your 30-degree ring finger, give your hand that twist, and solve for tangent 30.
You should have 1 finger over 3 fingers now. That means tangent 30 is the square root of 1 divided by the square root of 3, which of course is just 1 over root 3.
In practically no time at all, you've memorized every exact value. Just remember, sine counts below, cosine counts above, and for tangent, you just flip and divide.
So to completely wrap up this explainer, I'll leave you with this one last thought. If you bend down your 45-degree middle finger right now and flip your hand, what does tangent 45 end up being, and how quickly can you solve it?